Hi everyone, so here's another unsolicited review for Jira application, which is called Status Time Reports. So it has multiple features. It allows you to see how long your issue was in a particular status and build reports based on this. Takes into consideration multiple calendars. You can fix things as well. So first, let's take a look at what they promise. So it has very positive reviews, tons of them. Sounds like team is doing a great job. It supports all possible hosting platforms, cloud and data center and server, multiple languages, and so on and so forth. It doesn't store any data, which makes it secure by default. So let's jump into it. So first, when I enter the application, you can configure your calendars. You can potentially configure where this application is available, as well as reports, as well as restrict to whom and so on. The issue I see there is no clear way to how to contact support, how to take which custom fields or which fields used for the time and so on. So for example, how it looks in our project. So we can jump in the project and open an issue, and we will see this menu point which says how long this particular issue was in a particular state. And of course you can change how it's visible, but for me it's kind of, I would do it once for user and that's it. I don't like that this stuff takes time, and it's not clear what are these unnamed checkboxes are doing. So user experience, let's say, could have been improved. This is all helpful information. This is, again, I don't know what it does, so it's not very clear. The user experience is not very clear. Then on top of this, you can build the dashboard widget, which again shows you a status of particular issues, how long they were in progress, how long it took them to go from done to done, and so on. So it looks like potentially very useful gadget as well. As you see, you can easily see what's going on in your project and how quickly things are moving. And last but not least, you can build reports based on status data. And as you see, here's a report. Here examples of how long it was in a particular state and how long it took to have something done. As you see, some issues took, this example, more than a year. So things to improve, I see like user interface needs to be more streamlined, simplified, as well as things could be configurable on the user level, not only on the issue level. So I don't want to change this every time. And it's not very clear how to reach support if you're inside the application. So I would rate it 3 out of 4. It looks simple, but still could be simple as well. So if you have any further comments, please reply them to this video. Thank you very much.